welcome back to the channel. Today's haul is from Australia, another fellow Aussie, and this is from a YouTube channel called Toy Car Reviews. He contacted me and said, mate, I'd like to race on Mount Western Raceway, and I said, let's go for it, send in what you can, and this is what we're looking at right here. So let's get into it. The first one we have right up the top here is the 10 Pro Stock Camaro. Very nice. I've never seen this in the shops ever. And get onto his channel because he actually has a massive collection of cars that he reviews. The next one is also new to me, and this is the 18 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon. Love the colour and love the decals on this. Toy Cars Review channel is in Korean, I think, and if I'm wrong, I do apologise, but it's not that hard to head over there, give a thumbs up and press that subscribe button. It's not that hard to do, and go and support another fellow Aussie. This one here's got quite a nice bit of weight, and this is the 2019 Kia Stinger GT. I reckon this will go all right on the track. As I mentioned, some of these will go into hot rods or whatever tournaments are available. Now this one I've seen a lot in the shops recently, and a lot of you have this one. This is the Erkenstein rod on the Hot Wheels Hot Trucks. The classic looking casting they made here. And this one does go very well on the track also. This one here is the 70 Dodge Charger RT, another from the Muscle Mania stable. Just a reminder that Hot Rod Season 3 will be kicking off early in 2021. And here is another 2019 Kia Stinger GT. I really like the colour choice that Hot Wheels have gone with this. It's sort of like a light grey blue, and I think it really stands out. This is it, folks. This is the last for Toy Car Reviews, and this is the Dodge Viper RT10, I think it is. Look at the United States decals on the side. Beautiful. Not too sure what year this is. And check that track out. Wouldn't that be unreal to make if you can race somehow? Well, a big thank you to Toy Car Reviews from Sydney, Australia. Really appreciate you sending in your haul. We will see you on the track very early in 2021 on hot rods, that's for sure, and many other tournaments that we have throughout the year. So thanks again, Toy Car Reviews. Don't forget to go check him out on his YouTube channel, and he also has an Insta page as well.